So what up guys, making decisions just got more fun thanks to Meta-DAO's concept, currently the first Futarchy platform built on the Solana blockchain. Currently run on the SVM, that's the Solana virtual machine. They provide users with this opportunity to make market predictions towards decisions that could or affect them in general. So let's say you're in an organization that they're about taking a decision in the company or in the organization, and you have the opportunity to make or to put in your weight to decide the outcome of that decision. That's the concept here. Now it does not just leave the decision making process to the heads, to the executive. It presents a democratic environment where users can always make their own input. So this is the interface here guys. So when you come here you'll be able to see the past market and the free market. Now this is the price of Meta, that's the native token of this DAO. Users can be able to vote using their currency. So first and foremost, you just want to connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet since it's built on the Solana ecosystem. You can also connect your MetaMask or whichever one. So connect, it says going to verify your wallet, request approval, and connect. So yeah, I think in this wallet we have some funds. So what happens is that whenever there's a proposal currently going on, you have the opportunity to vote towards the proposal. Now the concept of this proposal, they're usually outlined. Individual members can come up with proposals, as well as team members of the organizations can decide to push out what they call it, these proposals. Now for this particular one, proposal 10, you can see it currently has about 1 day 22 hours left for users to make their contributions. Now if you are to expand this to see the concept of this proposal, it's going to show you here. It says proposal 10, increase Meta liquidity via a Dutch auction. So this user Dodane wants to is proposing that there should be an increase in the Meta liquidity on the platform via a Dutch auction. So you can read about this, read about the benefits, and see if it is feasible or it will be in a good or it will be beneficial to the ecosystem or the DAO in general or the organization in general. So that's the whole concept of this platform. Provide user with this, and whichever turn out the end of the proposal turns out to be, users could get these incentivized the benefits for making input and also growing the ecosystem or growing the organization. So you just imagine your decision gets to push through. You can imagine the rewards or the outcome that you'll be getting from it. So here you can see the price of Meta, and you can see they're currently being weighted through this TWA, that's a TWAP. It's called the time weighted average price, and is a measure used to decide if the proposal passes. Now if TWAP of the past market is 5% above the fair market, which is greater than 727.34, the proposal will pass once the countdown ends. Now you need to understand this whole concept. So let's say you want to be a part of this proposal, you want to make your own input. All you need to do is to decide if you want to buy or you want to sell a portion of this. You can also come to the fair market if you want to buy or you want to sell. Now for you to buy, just click on the amount you want to buy. Let's say amount of Meta. You can either use your FUSDC, you can use your USDC, that's your stable your Solana stablecoin, or the Meta token, whichever one you want to use to trade. You can also get your Meta token live on Jupiter. There's a swap option here. So when you go over to Jupiter, you'll be able to see this, and you can also swap. Now one Meta is going to be going for I think about $900. So just come over here and click on the amount you want to vote in, and you'll be able to put in your decisions into the pool and await the result. So once the end of the countdown goes through, you'll be able to see the results. So that's how easy it is to make your contributions and to see how to make the ecosystem continue to grow. Now here you can see the list of proposals that have been pushed through on this DAO so far. You can see these are the archived ones. We have proposal 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. Now for this one is failed. Now I'm just going to expand it so you can see why, some of the reasons why it was failed. This one is a multimodal proposal. So this user is proposing a multimodal proposal. I think this didn't put through. So that's one of them. There's also another one also. So there are lots of these proposals. You want to read about them to understand the concept and see why some of these proposals push through and why some of them don't. Now you can see proposal creation, all you need to do, steps to do, and instruction parameters and more. Now also, if you want to get more insight about this platform, you can go over to the doc. So there's a Google Doc here where users can get full info about what this project is all about and what you're currently building. Now if you go to the example flows, you can see here, so this is the introduction. So I picked out some key concepts here that should be beneficial. We have the tokenomics also for the Meta DAO. So they gave out about 10,000 Meta tokens to users initially. Here you can see the Futarchy mechanics. This talks about the whole concept of the two markets that are being created here. Now this is a cool insight. There's also an article from Wikipedia that talks about the genesis of this Futarchy mechanism. It says a form of government proposed by economist Robin Hansen, in which elected officials define measures of national well-being and more. So here you can get your concept, and individual projects or individual organization could inculcate these two or these mechanics from Meta-DAO to enrich their ecosystem or make it better. Then you can also see scalability, you can see more insights and cool information. There are lots of updates here. There are lots of information here. Now for FAQs, for users looking to find out, it said how is the Futarchy implemented with the protocol, DeFi, how can I get involved? Now looking to get involved, all you need to do, you can contribute whichever skills you have on this DAO, because it's currently growing up. So whether you're a content writer, whether you're a UI designer, whether you're a code, you're a dev, you can discuss on the Discord. So you can go over to the Discord and start making contributions to the DAO in general. So if you have a proposal, you can always come up with your proposal, and if it gets approved and they see it's for the the benefits of their whole ecosystem, you can also get this information. Now this is the official Discord handle. You can see entrepreneurs. There are different sets of discussion areas as well as rankings for individuals. Now there are branding, there's the analysts, there are entrepreneurs, and also cyber agents. And you can also see proposal drafting if you need assistance drafting a proposal for Meta. Now I think this is a really good initiative for government as well as organizations looking to be democratic in their decision making process, since it could affect the whole operation of the company or organization. Now I'm just going to also show you this article here that talks about introduction, say from corporations to nations, how Meta DAO is going to change the world and more. So this shows you a key concept about how the Meta DAO's Futarchy mechanism currently works. It talks about you putting in your tokens, you get the pass tokens and the fail tokens. Now if your decision gets put through, your tokens will be returned back to you automatically. If it doesn't, the fail tokens and the pass tokens, they will be automatically burned on your ecosystem. So that's how the ecosystem currently runs. I said we have demonstrated a design for human organization where managerial decisions are made by EBF instructions on the Solana blockchain. And Solana blockchain currently provides users with lots of benefits, guys. It's very scalable, it's highly decentralized, and also provides users with speed when it comes to transactions per second. Now here, this is a complete guide. I'll also be leaving you with this guide too that talks about the individual users here. Now this is a snapshot about the operations and decisions that are being made in organizations. So there are operational based decisions, business based decisions, as well as projects, direct actions, and more. And some of these could affect the business as regards personal development and general development also. So these are just key concepts to understand. So you should be looking into learning more about these and getting acquainted. You can I'll be dropping a link here where you can access the official website, join the Discord, read up on the blog. So for devs, guys, you want to check out the GitHub where you can make contributions, and also a lot of more updates here. Now this is one of the lead he says the lead on the project. That's Prof, that's Meta Prof, that's Cyber Capitalist. So it's been making lots of contributions. There are lots of interesting updates here. You want to check it out, and big shout outs, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Now, I'm just going to leave you with this last one. It says this last I think I got some concepts here from here. It said, have you ever wondered W Futarchy? If you answered yes, you might want to set a reminder for this piece. Okay, I think that's it. So guys, peace out guys, one love, Akahilz. Stay safe and cheers guys.